Please subscribe, share and like this video. Let's begin. Good afternoon and welcome to Affirmations Club. I'm Judith and let's begin, okay? So as we normally do for the past 2 weeks, thank you Meena, as we have been doing in the past 2 weeks, all the things, we write our goals, we do gratitude, we say our affirmations, we do visualization, we do meditation, all these steps we follow. But sometimes we emphasize on each particular aspect of it. Sometimes we do the affirmations part more strongly, we focus on that. Sometimes the meditation becomes very deep. Sometimes the visualization goes more concentrated. So each day I am training you to focus how you should focus on one particular aspect of all these steps what we have to follow. So you can, those who have missed are asking various questions here. You can, if you all are in the group, then I will paste the link of that playlist, then you all can watch it. Each day a different title has been given. Wherever you don't follow, suppose that you want to know more on visualization, so you open that video and see and do the visualization accordingly. So the last session what we had was more on affirmations, but we will be doing affirmations in the same way every day. Actually, we will be saying it 3 times because that is the main part of our affirmations club, is how you say affirmations. Yeah. So there are many people who are joining in first time. So please go to the playlist and see the videos. Then you will get an understanding. But those who are here from the day 1, we will be focusing on the 3 goals what we have been writing from day 1. Only top 3 goals we have been writing, whichever are a priority in your life. So take up those 3 goals. So as we begin this class now, first and foremost, let us center ourselves. Let us become present in this class at this moment. Don't think what is going to follow next. Don't make judgments. What is she going to tell? What is this? Don't judge. Just focus on your dreams, on your goals. That is the most important thing. Don't assume nothing. Alright, so now you have your 3 goals as usual. I hope you all are ready with your pen and your paper, your books. You have to keep that special book for yourself. You're doing that every day, writing your gratitude also in that. So keep a dedicated book for this. It is your dream, your goal. So it has to be important to you. How much important it is to you, how much sacrosanct you are with this, that will determine how fast it will come to fruition. How much importance you're giving to this. How much focused are you? How much concentrated effort or concentrated attention you're giving to it. Most of the time you have to be focused on just being grateful that whatever you are asking, you are going to receive. The theme of ours is ask, believe and receive. You ask because that's your desire, that's your goal. You place it before God that these are the things I want. But before you receive them comes the believing part. That is the most challenging, and we are every day trying to work on that. Because over the period of time, over these years, we have some set of beliefs which we are already having. They have become a pattern in our lives. To break those patterns, all those, we need to do it every day. Every day we need to do this practice. Like you go to a gym, you want to lose weight, you'll register for the gym. One day you'll go to the gym, next day you will say, oh, I have not lost 1 kg. Does it happen that way? Daily you are doing some set of exercises. You're getting trained. And gradually you will see your body is coming to that shape, to that particular weight what you want. So you're working on your physical muscle, physical body. Same way the mind. mind has thousands of thoughts which are going, and over the years some have become such strong beliefs which are not beneficial to our progress, which is becoming a hurdle in our progress. So we are trying to work on those, on changing those beliefs. And how do we do that? Is by becoming conscious that these are our patterns, and now we are saying new affirmations. We are installing the new beliefs in that. And these are the different processes which we are using. These are the only processes which is going, and you can help yourself. I cannot help for you. I cannot think for you, nor can I say your affirmations for you. You have to do yourself. What I am doing is I'm only guiding you. I'm only doing the hand holding, and we are using the collective energy of this group. Like how we would come physically in one classroom or in a particular place, and we would collectively say our prayers or say so. So there is a better, higher vibration there. So we are using this virtual classroom. Thanks to the Zoom, we are able to do that. So let us use this collective energy to our benefit. That all of us have come here. Our intention is to work on our goals, on our desires. And we are using this collective energy to manifest them. So shall we begin now? Start writing your 3 top goals, desires. And regarding this also is explained on the day 2 video. Day 1 was not recorded, but from day 2 I started recording because people requested. So there will be day 2 video, day 3. There are some dreams, how we are writing our dreams, our goals. Though the recording of the first 2-3 days is quite bad, there's a lot of disturbance and sound, but later on I think it is much improved. So you can see that and know how to write your dreams and your goals. There's a particular way you write with a thanksgiving. So now center yourself, focus yourself, and I hope you have already got into the practice of writing. Anyway, let us take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Release. Focusing on our breath centers, we take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Now continue your writing. Take only top 3 goals. First is your materialistic, and the second and the third we were working on our being part. What do you want to be? Details are given in the previous video. Okay? What you want to be, what kind of person you want to be. A happy person, joyful person, person who's very patient, who's all the different attributes, whatever you want, you are working on those. Because once the being becomes proper, being is in alignment, the other things will automatically follow. You need to become that compassionate person. You need to become that loving person. You need to become that patient person. So working on your being, you will see the results in the other outer part, with your relationship, with your wealth, with your health, with your money, whatever. All right. So now we will today focus on gratitude. How do we give gratitude? Now you have put your desires, they are not yet accomplished, but yet you are saying you are grateful because you know it will be done. It's only a matter of time. It can take 1 day, it can take whatever time it wants. It depends on how much gratitude you're giving. Gratitude is a great multiplier. You give little gratitude, you will get little blessings. The more gratitude you give, the more blessings will come. So as I'm talking to you, please take your books and write down things you are grateful for. Make a list. Every day we used to always write 5 things, but today I want you to continue writing. Even though I am speaking to you, you just write your gratitude. You can write in Hindi, whatever language you are more comfortable. Just write your gratitude. Those who are come here first time will wonder what gratitude we write for. Whatever things have happened today, you can write you're grateful for that. For your family, for your house, for the shelter you have, for the food you ate this afternoon, for the persons who cooked your food, for your kids, for your family, you're experiencing the love, the care from them. And it is advisable to write the reason if you can. If time permits, you can write. But you please follow this exercise right throughout the day. I want you to do. We'll just focus today until we come tomorrow, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We'll just focus on gratitude. This full day, remaining part tomorrow morning. Even before going to bed, waking up, we are going to focus only on gratitude. Give thanks for everything. Just give thanks to God for everything. You are safe until now. Give thanks. You are come in this classroom. You have the time to come in this classroom. Give thanks. You have your laptop you're using, right? Or you're using your phone. Give thanks for that. Because of that, you are able to attend these sessions. Just keep writing. The more open, and throughout the day you just write thank you, thank you, thank you. Fill up 3-4 pages. Thank you. It's okay. More gratitude. It's like, I'll have one secret. It's like opening. Now you're opening today your bank account. Bank account you have opened now. Khata. What khata? That is gratitude. शुक्राना का. ग्रैटिट्यूड का खाता खोल दिया आज, टुडे. तो क्या डिपॉजिट करोगे उसमें? शुक्राना और शुक्राना और शुक्राना. बहुत सारा शुक्राना. कीप गिविंग ग्रैटिट्यूड. इतना डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो उस अकाउंट में, डिपॉजिट कीजिए ताकि जब जरूरत हो आप निकाल सकते हो वो ग्रैटिट्यूड. वो ग्रैटिट्यूड आपको काम आएगा आपके डिजायर, आपके गोल अचीव करने में. So give gratitude because that is the most important criteria. It's a multiplier. थोड़ा दोगे, थोड़े you will get little of your things will be accomplished. अकाउंट में पैसे जब ज्यादा है तो आपके परचेसिंग पावर भी ज्यादा होता है, करेक्ट? तो सेम वे, and here तो you don't have to put money. You will say, oh, I don't have money and I cannot put deposit bank. But now you have no excuse. You just can deposit ग्रैटिट्यूड. ग्रैटिट्यूड शुक्राना डिपॉजिट कीजिए बैंक अकाउंट में. आज जो आपने खोला है खाता, लिखिए डेट टुडे 19th April 2021. Yes, Sheetal, correct. Lot of things you have to be grateful for. These are health things are very big, like you said, immune system. We have a strong immune system. We have a healthy body. And now, right now, you're giving gratitude only for what you're doing right now. But what about the past? Hundreds and thousands of things have happened in your past. So, you have to do gratitude for all those actually to fill your account. So, as I'm saying, I'm just talking, but you please keep writing. Please keep writing more and more. Add to your list. I'm just helping you out with. Now, wherever you're sitting on the chair. Thank you to the chair. You can sit comfortably. You're sitting on your bed. Thank you to the bed. You have a comfortable bed to sit on, to sleep on. Thank you for your house. You can stay so comfortably. Thank you for your car. You can go wherever you want at your will. See, even if you don't have money now, you'll say, how can I give gratitude for money? You may not have money now, but today's food you have purchased, right? You can give gratitude for the money you paid to purchase your food. You have your phone right now, correct? You're seeing me maybe on your phone. So you have paid the money to buy your phone. You had the money. Give gratitude for that money. You're seeing me on the laptop. Give gratitude for the money with which you brought the laptop. You purchased the laptop. Give gratitude for you have your mobile data now. You purchased it, right? You paid it for the month. You paid the bill. Give gratitude for that money. You had the money to pay for this, right? Give gratitude for the Zoom, which is helping you to learn so much knowledge. There are thousands and thousands of things we can, if you write about gratitude, it can never end. Give gratitude for the breath you're taking, the breath that is breathing you. Because of your breath, you are alive. There are some different, all the organs in your heart. Your heart is beating. Day in and day out, give gratitude to your system, to all your organs in your body. So many things. Today we are going to focus only on gratitude. Daily we are doing a lot of practices, but today I thought we will just focus only on one, gratitude, because till now we have not done much on gratitude. So that is why. So just keep on writing as I'm giving you some examples. You expand, even what I have not said also you can write whatever you want. Whatever you feel you're grateful for. You're grateful for your family, for each and every member in your family. You're experiencing the love, the care, the support of your family. What would you have done without them? The one person whom you are feeling so happy with, you can give gratitude for that. Give gratitude to God for each and everything. For the clothes, now right now you be present now on your table where you are sitting. You have so many things to be grateful for. You can be grateful for the clothes that you are wearing. You purchase them. You can be grateful for the clothes, grateful for the money to purchase the clothes. Grateful for now if you're sitting there, the fan is working. You're grateful for the electricity, grateful for the money to buy the fans, to buy your fridge, TV, whatever you are using, you paid for that, right? So give gratitude for the money. You had all this money, you were given all this money. Right from the time you are born until now, somebody has been, either your parents have been giving you all these facilities, they have also given the money, no? They have paid the money. They have used money for you, for your education, for your marriage. You have to be thankful to your parents. That is so they are the source. That I don't have to tell you. That daily you have to, I hope you must be already doing. They are the source from where everything of yours comes. You have come from them. You have to be thankful for your parents. All they could, whatever was within their, what they could afford, they have given you. Whatever they could do for you, they have done. Give gratitude for that. Give gratitude for your education, for the job you have, for the money that is flowing in, for your income, for your sales that are happening, for the clients that you have, for the investments that you have, for the shares, for the bonds, for the interest that you get on your bank, in your bank account, for the dividends that you get in your demat accounts. All the dividends, whatever money is flowing in, it's coming in, right? Be grateful for that. So I've given you quite a lot of examples. If you're finding even more, you can give gratitude for each and everything. Gratitude now, see, if you're using your hands are proper, you can write gratitude to your pen, to your paper. Each and everything is helping you. Gratitude to your specs. I can see some of you are with the specs, because of which you can see clearly. It's helping you to see clearly. Now gratitude to your ears. You can hear me clearly. Thank you God for my ears where I can hear. So become present with whatever is there in front of you. We think gratitude means right big thing. घर मिला, गाड़ी मिली, बड़ा job मिला, तभी. Then we give once in a way gratitude. What? Daily gratitude for all these small things is also important, very important in fact. When some of them don't find things to be grateful for, they wonder क्या लिखना है, रोज वही लिखना है. Whatever is on your heart, you can write. Wherever you're staying in that room, you have so many things around you. Give gratitude for it. I'll give you one tip is, what if you are finding it difficult, whatever you touch today until tomorrow you come 3 o'clock, give gratitude for that. You're touching the table, thank you table for I can write. You're touching your book, thank you for this book. You're touching your fridge, thank you for this fridge. Each and everything, just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Every step you take, now you'll get up from this class and then you will start walking to the bathroom. Correct? Every step you take, you will say thank you. One step, thank you. Ek step dala, thank you, thank you, thank you. You can walk, thank you. Then you enter the bathroom, you can see all your things in your bathroom, जो कुछ भी सुविधाएं हैं. Thank you बोलिए उसके लिए. नल में पानी आ रहा है, thank you. गीजर है, thank you. शावर है, thank you. सोप है, thank you. If you see so many homeless people waiting to have what you have. So many people waiting to have food what you have. But you have. And you say you don't have things to be grateful. Why? Because we think only grateful be for big things. Ferrari mili, thank you. Mercedes mila, thank you. Like only for big thing. What about this small thing? And now today you have opened your bank. So jitna you will deposit in your bank, आपके जो 3 गोल्स लिखे हैं ना, उसमें काम आ जाएंगे. तो वो ये ग्रेटिट्यूड का खाता उधर you withdraw कर सकते. You can withdraw it because your heart is full of gratitude. You are in the zone of high vibration. All right. So today I think we will end at this only. Just focus on gratitude. All right. Give gratitude for each and everything. Right throughout the day. If you can, it's possible for you, you can write out the things you are grateful. You can continue with the list even in the evening, morning you have to write your gratitude. At least 10 we say we have to write. As soon as you wake up, give gratitude. For your bed, for your bed sheet, for the fan, for the AC, for the everything, all the pleasant environment, for the good sleep you had in the night, for the peace and comfort in your house, for all the luxuries in your house. Give gratitude for everything. And daily if you find new things, you can it will expand your scope of seeing things. It will widen your scope of giving gratitude. All right. So today our time is getting out now. We will just do Thanksgiving a little bit. All right. And while doing this exercise, please have a smile on your face. That's free. You don't have to pay nothing for smiling. Smile and give gratitude. Smile changes your vibration, and the vibrations is the only language which can be understood by the universe. So come into the zone of happiness, of smiling. Give a smile. Thank you. You say thank you to somebody, you don't say with a frown. Thank you. No, na. When somebody does one favor for you, what you will do? You will smile and you will say thank you, thank you, thank you, like that. So you need to bring some energy dalo. Goals we want to achieve, but we don't want to give. Give gratitude first. All right. So start your bank account. Deposit more and more of gratitude. It will come in use in the future, even when these classes are not on. Keep doing the most important. All right. So just center ourselves. Take a deep breath. Hold. Thank you, God. Release. Take a deep breath. Breathe in blessings. Hold the blessings. Release. Thank you, God. Take a deep breath in. Hold the blessings. Thank you, God. Thank you to each one of you for being here. And let's meet tomorrow at the same time. But keep your practice going right throughout the day. Today, whatever you touch, you will say thank you, thank you, thank you. And tomorrow you all will do the sharing. All these 32 people who are there right now will share, or either on the group or in the class tomorrow. Thanks so much for being here. It was nice to be with you.